Hey guys, it's William. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make easy money doing social media management, or what we like to call SMM, social media management. Whether you're brand new, trying to start up a digital agency, trying to get the skills, my step-by-step process of learning, and then as well developing your own processes and then bringing it to scale and market. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and dive right in. Oh yeah! So first off, you may be wondering, why would I want to get involved in social media management or become a social media manager? If we look at Google Trends, we can see very clearly that ever since, if you will, 2009, all the way up to even the pandemic, it's been going up and up and up even more, and it just keeps trending. And Google Trends also show us the areas, social media marketing, everything. It just keeps growing. It's a growing market, so it's good to get into business and start making some money. If you look at this, it's still growing, social media marketing. So this is going to be a perfect niche for us to get into and start making some easy money.
I want to see all your money.
Now let's go ahead and dive right into the steps I'm going to suggest. So a lot of times when we're starting out with a new skill, we want to go ahead and let's go to college. Maybe we want to get, if you will, the academic route. And we want to spend a lot of, if you will, of our hard-earned money. Sometimes we don't have to. What? There's a lot of these skills, especially with social media management, that you can simply learn from a lot of online sources and online courses, some of which you don't even have to pay anything whatsoever for. And social media management is not just throwing something up on, if you will, Instagram and Facebook and thinking that's going to be magic and you're going to make money.
Seriously.
It's an actual process or thought process, and we want to get some good education behind us. So let's go ahead and dive into 8 quick websites that we could talk about this for. Let's go ahead and get started.
Whoa.
So the first website we're going to is going to be Skillshare. At Skillshare, they have a lot of different, if you will, courses where we could go into and talk about becoming a social media manager, how to get Facebook clients, how to post on Instagram, how to do mindful marketing, quick steps, etc. via an Android or iPhone. However you're going to do it, how to make up content, if you will, calendars for social media posting. It just goes on and on and on. And that's one of the really good ones that we're going to start with.
Wow.
The next one's going to be Coursera. So Coursera, we have a lot, if you will, look up here, a lot of classes or courses we could take regarding social media management, everything from beginner to advanced. And we could start getting our hands and dive right in here and learn. What we're trying to do is start getting the very basics or foundation of social media management so we can start trying to get our first set of clients.
Hey, that's pretty good.
So let's go ahead and dive right into the next one. The next one we're going to go to is Udemy. Everybody knows about this, but in this specific course, it's going to be talking about social media marketing and how to pick up clients. And this is just another great resource. A lot of these courses are going to be free or really minimal to no investment. This one's going to be free.
You'll never get a cent out of me!
Another one, of course, we're going to go to the horse's mouth itself, which is going to be Facebook Blueprint. Facebook Blueprint gives you online learning courses so you can get in there and dive in and learn how to use the most of Facebook marketing and the Facebook marketing platforms. Another one is going to be Constant Contact. Constant Contact for your email marketing. It's going to be a part of everything. But then we also have in here for social media management, how to use Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, Google Business Profile, YouTube, Snapchat, and the list just goes on and on and on and on. Wow. Another one is Quick Sprout University. Okay, you could take their digital marketing one-on-one courses, and it just goes on and on and on. And another one is going to be HubSpot Academia, or if you will, HubSpot Academy. Okay, and what we want to do, we want to go through HubSpot's Academy, and we want to look at it and go through everything, because HubSpot is a great place to learn more about marketing, inbound sales, sales software, content marketing. Because what you're doing as a social media manager is we're creating content to drive in clients.
Right, I gotcha.
And in correlation with that, you're going to go over to WordStream and learn more about pay-per-click. A lot of times when you are doing, if you will, social media management, you're also going to be involved in pay-per-click ads for your social media posts. So these are some of the websites I highly recommend.
Roger, roger.
Last but not least, if you're not a part of GMB Pros, you need to go ahead and get that. We not only talk about local SEO, but we also talk about how to acquire clients or leads, which is one of the most important facets. When you get inside of GMB Pros, you come down to here and you're going to go to Scale Your Agency. Inside Scale Your Agency, I go through the whole process, including how to optimize your Facebook cover, how to optimize your lead gen, your lead magnet, who's your ideal client, who's your ideal customer, how to deep dig in and reverse engineer your competition, how to warm up your Facebook accounts, how to go into Facebook groups and create leads, how to create small, if you will, small success mindset, next steps, what to do, questions you need to answer, how to turn cold leads into hot leads, how to hack your competition, how to get unlimited business leads over and over. I go through the whole process, so you definitely want to get inside GMB Pros, and you can do that at rankfortress.com. You go to Rank Fortress and click right here and just sign up for GMB Pros.
Shut up and take my money.
So step one in this whole process is we want to go through these websites. We want to get in education and get our feet wet. Are all these sites perfect? No. You're going to learn some strengths from some and other strengths from others. You want to learn from a broad source and then start developing your own processes, if you will.
Smart move.
Number two, you're going to start getting some clients and you are going to work for free. Yeah, I said free. When I first started out, I was working for free. Why? Because I'm building up my portfolio. And that brings me to step 3, which is build up your portfolio. This is why you want to get some clients and start working for free. I want to build up my portfolio. I want to build up what we call case studies, so I can say I took their visibility from here and brought it to here through my processes.
No. Yes.
And step 4, we're going to, during this entire process, we're going to document our process so we can develop processes and SOPs, or as we like to call them, standard operating procedures. Now, which brings me to the most important part.
Write that down, write that down!
Once you have your standard operating procedures, you can then build out a sales funnel. A sales funnel is used for client acquisition. So I can start sending people to an offer, if you will, so I can start drumming up and getting paying clients to pay for social media management, whether that be through organic Facebook marketing or paid marketing.
Oh, I like that.
All right, step 6. We're going to find someone that is doing it already, clone them, improve their processes. And the final but not least, after we have our SOPs, after we got the processes fine-tuned, we are now going to hire virtual assistants and start scaling it. By scaling it, I mean I have a standard operating procedure. I can give it to somebody, anybody that walks in, and they know step 1 through step 20 on what to do. And it makes my processes, if you will, very easy to follow. And then I can take my business from 1 or 2 clients or 10 or 20 to hundreds of clients, because I have my operating procedures. I know they work, and I know it's a step-by-step process that I could give to anybody. I hope you guys like this. I just want to show you how to become a social media manager, how to get some, if you will, education, and then how we would want to scale that process from a few clients or 0 clients up to hundreds.
Jackpot.
I appreciate it. If you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe, if you will. If you have any websites or any other tools that you like to use in your social media management system, drop it down below. I'd like to see those and see what you guys use in some of your education tools when it comes to social media management, because we can all learn from each other, and that's what we're here to do on this channel. Until next time, you guys be blessed.
I have so many SEOs that hate me and say that I'm stealing their methods. They bitching and cry, labeling me SEO Black Hat. Was a nobody, now I'm at the top. Most wanted, most loved, bad business owners, and hated by